Hello guys and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel, a channel featuring some of the most exciting and best road moments captured on driver's dashcam. So make sure to sit tight for this one, because you'll definitely enjoy. Police was called over because the driver in a silver car parked poorly and he blocked the entire one-way street. You can clearly see a line of cars behind waiting. Crazy thing about this whole situation is that they can't find the owner of the car and the traffic is still piling up. The police officer is taking pictures of his parked vehicle as the evidence, and now we're playing the waiting game until the driver shows up.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Another police officer arrived and he had to direct the traffic so that the vehicles who entered the one-way street could reverse onto the road and find another way. Somehow they managed to find out whose car it is, and the owner showed up finally. The security guard was arguing with him about his improper parking, but that's the least of his worries now. Once the car owner arrived, the police officer who was there had something to say as well, and judging by the looks of it, the self-entitled driver wanted to argue with the officer, as if his parking was perfectly legal. Driver moved his car in a proper parking position, and so did the police as well. They finally managed to unblock the flow of traffic. But now comes the moment of truth. What is going to happen to the driver now? The officer is asking for his driver's license and registration, and we all know which way this is going. Nope, not what some of you might be expecting. The driver was also being called over, and now it's almost certain that he'll get a ticket for improper parking.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
As the driver got back to his car, we'll see a moped rider pass by the police without even using his hands while riding. He was casually holding his phone and moved past them like a boss.
Yes, I keep the bank rolling like a boss. Sipping lean. And we say bye-bye.
With some rude drivers who think that it's okay to park on a sidewalk. Check out how the cyclist dealt with both of them.
UHD. I hope you don't need your licence for work, because that's going to cost you some points. It's illegal to drive on the pavement and park on it and block it. What do you think of the roads there, son? Alright then. You know what I mean? At least he's fucking apologetic. Yo mate, that's a footpath and a cycle path, not a car park.
Yes, I can.
So it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I can deliver it.
You can't park there. Well, it's alright. Well, I'll report it to the police.
Hold on.
Well, you're going to get points, ain't you? And on your licence. And you're a professional driver.
I don't care. You call them. I just deliver it.
Yeah,
I'm not parking 1 hour, 2 hours.
It doesn't matter. It's illegal to drive on the pavements in England.
Yeah, what are you doing, huh?
Huh?
What are you going to do?
This is a cycle path.
Yeah, I don't care.
I'm going to report it, someone do.
Hold on.
This is England, mate.
Do that.
Have you read the highway code?
I don't care.
Well, obviously you don't care.
Climate change activists blocked the entire road in protest, and needless to say, the drivers did not like it and it came to a heated road rage. This rude driver pulled out in front of the biker without bothering to look left nor right, and of course, moves like this can easily cost the biker a crash, and he was rightly angry at the driver, but for some odd reason, the driver's fragile ego was hurt, and it came to a raging argument.
Mas qual filme todo?
Viste, não viste?
Mas tens que te mandar e tu não me viste.
É pá, por favor.
Por favor, digo eu, meu. Olha lá, desculpa lá, só uma coisa. Mas, desculpa, porquê que não reconhece o erro? Porquê que não reconhece o erro e pedes desculpa em vez de estares a mandar vir?
Eu vou pedir desculpa, porque tu viste.
Mas porquê que não reconhece o erro? Não reconheces que fizeste merda? Eu estou tranquilo.
Vamos ser práticos.
Eu estou tranquilo. Agora, foda-se, não comecem a mandar vir, meu.
Não, mas eu só estou a dizer, vamos ser práticos. Não
Mas eu estou a ser prático. Não estou aqui a arranjar merda agora. Foda-se.
arranjar merda. Tipo, se eu me atravessasse, eu disse não viste. Viste na boa. Porque é que vamos complicar? Não é?
Pá, mas não estamos a complicar. A questão...
Para desviar de mim.
Não fiz manobra nenhuma radical. Mas foda-se, meu. Vês que vem um gajo. É só travar um bocadinho. Mas estou na paz, meu.
Na boa, meu.
Pronto.
Na boa.
Tranquilo.
Não me ia atirar para a frente nem pôr-te em perigo. A derrota desde quase que nasci. E respeito, super. Mas se fosse daquela aí, eu vou meter a tirar a mandar o gajo ao chão. Não, isto foi naquela base, ok?
Está bem, meu, mas um gajo vem na faixa. É só chato.
Por isso, desculpa aí, mas...
Não, mas é tranquilo.
Base, ok, eu vi, vai, amor.
Estou tranquilo. Não fiquei chateado nem nada. É só tipo...
Era faltava.
É preciso um gajo ter cuidado, meu. Só isso.
I'm completely speechless at this crazy driver's reaction here. He passed the rest of the traffic using the shoulder of the road, and as if that wasn't enough, he cut other vehicles off as they didn't even exist on the road.
Oh my god, did you see the outside?
Hyundai driver that approached from behind the camera was way too much speeding, and because of that, he nearly rear-ended a vehicle in front that was changing lanes.
भैया नई डिवाइस तो नहीं आ रहा मैं मेरे को सारे भैया नई डिवाइस तो नहीं आ रहा मैं मेरे को सारे
Instead of paying attention at the road ahead, the driver that was behind the camera was distracted by his phone, and as a result, he rear-ended the vehicle. Unfortunately, another episode comes to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all these fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, please do subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.